Mid-back pain can even make the most simplest tasks feel exhausting. But the good news, relief is possible with the right approach. My AYAMA method targets the root causes of mid-back pain with research-backed activation techniques. In this video, I'll guide you through strategies to reduce discomfort and regain mobility. Friends, my name is Yogi Aaron, and for over 3 decades, I've helped thousands of people become pain-free and continue to live their best pain-free life. Mid-back pain often results from poor posture, muscle imbalances, or prolonged sitting. Studies confirm that activating the right muscles can alleviate pain and improve spinal stability. So what are some of the most common symptoms of mid-back pain? Well, we have tightness or stiffness around the spine, difficulty twisting or bending forward, headaches and/or neck tightness and pain, discomfort during prolonged sitting or standing periods. So what's the solution? Well, the AYAMA method focuses on activating the muscles that support your thoracic spine, restoring balance and strength for lasting relief. So let's take a moment to explore proven strategies to address mid-back pain. But first, what are some of the myths and facts about upper back pain? Well, the first myth is that stretching is all you need for back pain. Well, the fact is that stretching only provides temporary relief, but muscle activation addresses the underlying imbalance for lasting results. Myth number 2, back pain is always caused by spinal issues, and the fact is that many cases of mid-back pain stem from weak or inactive muscles, not structural damage. Myth number 3, rest is the best remedy for back pain. And the fact is that excessive rest can lead to more stiffness. Activation exercises promote movement and recovery. If you're confused about managing mid-back pain, pause the video and share your questions in the comments and I'll answer them in detail. So the first exercise is my favorite one. It's called Dynamic Warrior 1. And this pose will activate so many muscles. It's just a boon to the yoga world if it's done correctly. So what you want to do is take one foot forward and step the other foot back. Kind of line up your heels towards each other, turn the back foot about a 45-degree angle. You can also widen your gait if you need to by taking the back foot a little bit more out to the side. But what you're going to do here is start to inhale and bring the arms up while bending that front knee and reach up to the sky and lift your chest up as high as you can. And then as you exhale, slowly start to lower the arms as you begin to straighten that front leg. You just kind of move in and out of this pose as many times as you like. If you do it 6 times on one side, do it 6 times on the other side. This is such a great posture to get the back muscles activated. One of the keys to this pose is to keep lifting up through your manubrium, that's the center, a little bit above the center of your chest, or just below the clavicle notch here. You lift that up and then take the arm bones back as far as you can, and then you slowly come on out of it. This pose is guaranteed to start having a positive effect on your back muscles and getting them activated so they start holding you in a more erect position. If you're confused about managing mid-back pain, pause the video and share your questions in the comments and I'll answer them in detail. Explore my full AYAMA program in the description for a pain-free, active life. Like, subscribe, and let me know your progress in the comment section below. The next pose that we're going to do is called chair pose, and we'll do this 2 different ways. The first is standing, sitting back, and bringing the arms forward and up. I'd like you to emphasize lifting the chest. You will feel the upper part of your back muscles working. As you're sitting back, focus on pressing down through the heels of your feet. Bring the chest upwards towards the sky and press your arm bones back. You're going to feel all the back muscles working, especially the upper back muscles. This is such a great way to start to activate all of those back muscles again. Then what you're going to do is come and stand back up and let your arms drop to the sides. Do this as many times as you feel like, or as many times as it feels good. Inhale, come and sit back, bring the arms forward and up. Lift the chest up as high as you can. Feel that arching throughout your whole spine as your back muscles are engaging and activating. Now for the second, we're going to target the muscles in the middle of the back specifically. Sit back into the chair pose again, just like we've shown you, and then start to bring the arms up towards the sky and then out to the sides like wings. Turn the palms forwards and upwards, and then squeeze the shoulder blades together. Lift the chest to emphasize the back extension. Come back out of this and go back in as many times as it feels good. If you're confused about managing mid-back pain, pause the video and share your questions in the comments and I'll answer them in detail. Explore my full AYAMA program in the description for a pain-free, active life. Like, subscribe, and let me know your progress in the comment section below. For the final one, come onto your stomach and practice a pose that we love to call Superman pose or locust pose, also in Sanskrit, Shalabhasana. To do this pose, what I'd like you to do is lift your chest up as high as you can, as well as your legs. This is a great way to start activating the lower back muscles. A lot of upper back tension comes because the lower back muscles are not doing their job properly. So let's target those lower back muscles and get them working properly. Lifting the chest up as high as you can and the legs. I'd like you to focus on squeezing the lower back muscles. Stay there for 6 seconds, come back down, take a breath or two, and then come on back up. Again, repeat 6 seconds for 6 times. This is one of the techniques that we use to start activating muscles. If you're confused about managing mid-back pain, pause the video and share your questions in the comments and I'll answer them in detail. Explore my full AYAMA program in the description for a pain-free, active life. Like, subscribe, and let me know your progress in the comment section below. As you're going through any AYAMA practice, please remember one of the #1 axioms: less is more. So always feel free to back off. Just by starting to get the muscle to shorten and contract, you're going to start activating that muscle, having a net positive effect. I'd like to give you guys some additional pain management tips. 1, try out spinal molding. In the AYAMA system, I teach you how to do spinal molding. This practice not only gets rid of mid-back pain, usually immediately, but it also helps to reshape your spine into a healthier posture. 2, activate the thoracic muscles daily to support spinal movement and alignment. 3, take frequent breaks from sitting to reduce strain in your mid-back. 4, maintain an ergonomic workspace to help you maintain good posture. Don't let mid-back pain control your day. With AYAMA's activation strategies, you can target the root cause and find lasting relief. Take charge of your health today. Explore my full AYAMA program in the description for a pain-free, active life. Like, subscribe, and let me know your progress in the comment section below.